Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to find your sent friend requests on Facebook using a PC. Whether you're curious about pending requests or want to manage your connections, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's website at facebook.com. Log into your account using your credentials if you haven't already. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo or avatar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of all your account activity. Now, on the left-hand side of the Activity Log page, you'll notice a menu with several options. Look for the section labeled Connections and click on it. Under Connections, you'll see a category called Friends. Click on it to expand more options related to friend requests. Finally, select Sent Friend Requests from the list. This will display all the friend requests you've sent that haven't been accepted yet. You can review them here and, if needed, cancel any request by clicking the Cancel button next to the person's name. And that's it. You've successfully found your sent friend requests on Facebook using a PC. We hope this guide was helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching.